the crisis-ridden airline, and some relief for Go Air. Go First has been granted bankruptcy protection by the National Company Law Tribunal. Let's go across to Vishnu for more. So Vishnu, this means the leased aircraft cannot immediately be repossessed by lessor. So relief there for Go First.
Well, I would use the word relief, very cautiously. I think the key point over here is that for now, there is a legal process which continues. Those who might have lost their jobs may not immediately lose their jobs. But the airline is effectively out of control of the Wadias, who were the founders of the airline and the promoters of the airline. The National Company Law Tribunal has accepted the bankruptcy protection code. It also means that the lessors of the airline, in other words, those who leased several aircraft to Go First, cannot immediately reclaim their aircraft, and that's something which they had all filed to do because all of these aircraft were leased. So it's a process that happens. There's a new board of the board of directors has been suspended, and an administrator has been asked to run the airline. I think the key point over here is that this does not mean that the airline is going to restart. It means that there is a process. The new administrator will look at the options. He will look at the financial situation. He will see whether it's possible to restart the airline. He will look at whether he would need to sell off the assets of the airline, return the leased aircraft, or liquidate the airline altogether. So this will likely be a long, drawn-out process, but it is very much a procedure right now. As far as the airline is concerned, it is not operating. Their aircraft are grounded. They have a serious problem with engine availability from Pratt & Whitney. They've they filed a case and are working at that case in the United States. But for now, this is just a process of trying to find a resolution to a rail crisis in Indian aviation.